Friends, we are here at Mo Mummy, our old friend, just as you all are. Caesar's Palace, beautiful Caesar's Palace. $100 in, $5 to start. So we've gotten absolutely wrecked on this game the last few instances. We're trying to replicate the amazing run that we had the other day, the other weekend I should say. Okay. 5 cents? No. Let's go to, what is it? 3? Wait, is max bet 375? That's crazy. Because max bet is usually $5, no? Or sorry, $7.50. How is max bet only $3.75 right now? That's interesting. I don't know. So max bet is $3.75. It's usually $7, no? Am I playing one credit or something going on here? I don't know what's going on. Oh, minor, huh? So we've gotten absolutely wrecked on this game, as I said, the last few times. But we're here to get the same kind of bonuses we were getting the weekend before. New place, new change of atmosphere. Here to have some fun. We want to see Mr. Mummy come out. We want to see some cash collects. We want to see it all. I'm still shocked that max bet. What's max bet on 2 cents then? So max bet on 2 cents is $7.50. I always thought max bet on 1 cent was $7.50. Something's going on. This might be a different kind of version. It's a standalone cabinet, but it's pretty interesting to me that this is. Maybe I'm just tripping out. I have to look at my old videos. I don't know. Pop it? No. Nope. Some monkey jugs. We got some monkey jugs. 2 more. These are all very full, so I don't know what that means. Is it indicative that they're gonna pop? Or does it mean that they're just super tight? Come on. At some point you guys can pop, right? It can happen. Oh yeah? One of you? Mr. Mummy, where'd you go? Down to our last bet. Let's try some more here. So I'm kind of curious of what 2 cents does for us. So this is $4.50. The mini here is $20. Oh my god, that's a big one. All 3. Holy moly. That would have been the time, right? Why not us? Oh my god, these huge numbers. What the heck? I'm just like in shock. What was that, $112? And that's more like, you know, standard $4.50. 22. Come on now. What's going on? Mr. Mummy, we need your help here, huh? Did you see this number and you saw those other numbers, right? So something is not. One of these do not belong. One of the big ones, please. One of the big ones again. We like this one. Oh, another big one. Another big one. Oh, okay. At least we got one. That's good. We appreciate any and all cash collects at this point. You know what we need, people. We need glory. We need magnificence. We need that. We saw some of those $100 and something ones. The $4.50 bet, remember? So we can do this. All right. All right. We like to see that. people. You know what we need. You know what we need. Send your energy. Okay. I don't want to get too ahead of myself. My goodness, why do we have to miss every single one of those? Green, yeah. I have an employee greeting it or cheering me on. Oh my god. Yeah, we need a little bit bigger one. Yes. 3 extra spins, people. Okay. Oh my god, drop some of those in there. When now? Like last time we got those really big bonuses, they kept dropping the $50 ones and everything else inside of the chamber. Now, oh, that's a good one. Another one. Oh, see, like it keeps dropping these huge ones outside, but how much we at now? Okay. This is 2 cents, remember. We need 2 greens now. Okay, people. Channel your energy to the channel. Bam. Oh my god, we did get 2. You guys did perfect. You guys channeled your energy to the channel. Thank you. Channel your energy to the channel. Can we make this magnificence? I think we can. Hello? Hello? Okay, we need some of those to land inside there now. Let's drop one of those progressives, please. Okay. We still appreciate it. It was good. 160 or something. It's so hard to get the cash collect. We had the janitor person cheering us on too. That was funny. We appreciate it. Thank you. It would have been nice to get one of those $111 balls, but slow clap. Oh, 175 is a little more than I thought. Okay. So how much are we at now? Okay. So I think wifey and I last time were like, we'll do 11 backup spins. It's kind of expensive, but it's still worth it. All right, let's go. 1. Where were you last time? 2. You know, that's the one I was talking about. 3. 4. Do it. Hello? 5. 6. 7. 8, right? Okay. 8. 9. 10. Do it. And lucky number 11. All right, so that was that. We got a bonus. We're down $9. I think we put in 200, so not bad. We had to do some backup spins and lucky number 11. And thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks again, people.